OBS Studio versus PRISM Live Studio. Choosing the right streaming software can completely change how you broadcast with ease and quality without struggling with complex setups or limited features. Both offer unique advantages for streamers. OBS Studio and PRISM Live Studio are popular streaming tools, but their core difference lies in customization versus simplicity. OBS Studio offers deep control and flexibility, while PRISM Live Studio focuses on user-friendly interfaces and quick setup for live streaming. OBS Studio is an open-source streaming software widely used by professionals and hobbyists alike. It functions by capturing video and audio sources, allowing users to mix multiple inputs such as webcams, game capture, and screen sharing. Its strength lies in its extensive customization options, including scene transitions, filters, and plugins. OBS supports streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously and offers powerful encoding settings for high-quality broadcasts. However, its complexity can be a limitation for beginners who may find the learning curve steep. Ideal users are streamers who want full control over their content, including advanced users who require tailored workflows and integrations. OBS Studio runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it versatile across systems. Its open-source nature means continuous updates and a strong community for support. PRISM Live Studio is a streaming software designed for simplicity and speed, targeting casual streamers and content creators. It offers an intuitive interface with easy drag-and-drop functionality for adding effects, overlays, and scenes. PRISM Live Studio supports real-time video editing and provides a variety of filters and music options to enhance streams without complex setup. It integrates well with popular platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, allowing quick broadcasting with minimal configuration. While it lacks the deep customization and plugin support of OBS Studio, its strength is accessibility, letting users start streaming almost immediately. Limitations include fewer advanced features and less control over encoding settings. PRISM Live Studio is ideal for beginners or creators who prioritize ease of use and quick content creation over technical depth, available on Windows, macOS, and mobile devices. Comparing OBS Studio and PRISM Live Studio highlights a trade-off between flexibility and ease. OBS Studio excels in scenarios where streamers need detailed control, such as multi-scene setups, custom plugins, and professional-grade production. It suits gamers, educators, and broadcasters who want to tailor every aspect of their stream. PRISM Live Studio shines for quick, hassle-free streaming, perfect for casual users or influencers who want to add creative effects on the fly without technical overhead. However, PRISM's simpler design means it may not handle complex workflows or advanced streaming requirements. The choice depends on user priorities: OBS Studio for maximum customization and power, PRISM Live Studio for simplicity and speed. Choose OBS Studio if you need full control over your stream setup and professional features, especially if you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve. Options Samura versus Options Tool is which are friendly streaming experience with creative tools built in. It's excellent for beginners or casual streamers who value speed and simplicity without sacrificing quality. Both deliver strong streaming capabilities tailored to different needs.